Hi, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Today I'm sitting in a 2026 Porsche Cayenne, and I'm going to show you about this auto rest feature in this Cayenne. A lot of people don't realize that this has this feature. Many of our Porsches do. Today it's about 45 degrees out, as we can see outside, pretty chilly. But there's a feature in this Cayenne that when you are running errands, you can turn the car off and actually have the coolant and the air circulate in the car for up to about 20 minutes while you're going into the store and running your errands. And I'll show you how to do that. So sitting right now, I'm in here. We're going to go down and utilize this area of the climate control when we're ready to turn the feature on. But right now, sitting, as you can see, the car is running. I'm going to turn it off. When I turn it off, just before exiting the car, this lights up here down on the console. It says rest off right now. If I press this button to turn it on, now when I exit the car, you can kind of hear it maybe in this video. You hear that? The fan is running again, and the coolant is circulating in the car, and it's keeping this car, this Cayenne, warm again for about 20 minutes while I run into the store and do some errands. So it will turn off automatically, so don't worry about running down your battery, but just kind of a nice feature, especially in cooler climates, to keep your car warm while you're running errands. Any questions about the feature, reach out. Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. You can either text me or you can call my mobile. It's 224-770-1060. Appreciate your watching this video. If you like what you see, press the like button, and please subscribe so that you get future content on how-to videos. Thanks for watching.